Another yawa just gas o. One US businessman don dey accuse the billionaire Dangote. Say this man drug and rape him wife o. And say the thing no even end for there. This man still thief in trade secret. Hey, e be like say this one na big men fight, but still I go put my mouth inside this matter. Mr. Kelvin Adenifuja dey accuse Dangote say Dangote plot with some group of people. Say they come manipulate him wife, this him pregnant wife. Say after that one, they still rape this woman. Say this whole thing go down for one Catholic mission. Say these people plus what do they call them? World Bank group. Invite this ex-wife. Say make they come. Say they won't come discuss some kind thing. I don't know, Bena for there, they put the drug inside the woman food or inside her wine. But before we go see this woman, don't they talk so many things about this man. And afterwards, they can't still go down. I can't they wonder. Say this thing they possible at all? But this man said they claim say his wife na person will be say she they always sleep around. And say now this one I don't go to use take hold this woman down. Say in con they use and say because the woman they sleep around, in con start to the blackmail the woman. Say if the woman no talk wetin happen, in go leak out the secret. I beg go this kind now true I been alive because me I see they wonder this kind thing see they wonder me. And this trade secret what is like now a book I been waiting. Because at least you suppose come as I can't talk am. Make we know if they among the things we make them Dangote they very successful. Because everybody knows say this man get different types of business. So at least if you tell us what be the real thing will happen for here. But I say big, and I know say before Dangote na president for the Nigerian Stock Exchange. And this man they claim say now that period where Dangote resigned from that place. Say now this whole thing happened. Say you know day afterwards say Dangote resigned because of say wait so that they no go link this whole matter to them. Say now what make Dangote resign? And say now in they carry Dangote go court. And in they demand for $1 billion for compensation from Dangote to tell you this matter. Hey! $1 billion now this man they ask for. But I beg make I come ask. Is it possible for this man to thief person idea? Because how you want to even go down? Where Dangote for know this man from? And since when this one happened for 2014, this man no come as I can't talk him. Even the woman where they rape, she no come as I can't talk say okay true they rape me. Oh, they see my point. Because person where they rape, make we talk and say okay yes they blackmail you. You dey pregnant, but as long as say they don't rape you on top, you get every right to come outside. You where they cheat, yes, your husband no say they cheat. So if say you even tell himself, nothing will change. But this woman self come sit down quiet, say yes, oh. She don't go talk anything. In fact, this matter, me I not see anything pure about them. But Mr. Dangote, as they don't call you, we go they wait to hear from you because we go like know the true matter. We go like know if true say all this your sources say na person wealth you, I mean a person thing you use they get them. We go like know if now true this man they really talk because people like say this man they very serious. For a person to carry matter go court, no be joke na. Person no go they waste the money say he won't go court, go they lie on top of person head. So I sure say some kind small truth go inside this matter. So billionaire Dangote, we they wait for your response. In fact, Nigeria they wait to hear your own side of this story. My people now here, I go end this matter. Anything when I get to talk about them, make a write and put inside the comment section. Make a stay tuned for the next video.